Welcome to Profit Path, your ultimate guide to financial freedom. Here, we break down money-making strategies, investing hacks, and passive income secrets, so you can build wealth on autopilot. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5, grow your savings, or make smarter investments, we've got you covered. No fluff, no boring lectures, just real, actionable financial advice to help you win with money. If you're ready to take control of your finances and multiply your income, hit subscribe and let's start your journey to financial success. Part 1. The Passive Income Revolution. Did you know 65% of millionaires have at least 3 sources of passive income? Yet most people rely on just one paycheck, leaving them financially vulnerable. Imagine this. While you sleep, travel, or binge watch your favorite show, your bank account keeps growing. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth. Passive income is not a luxury. It's a necessity, especially in today's unpredictable economy. The job market is changing. AI is automating tasks, businesses are downsizing, and financial security is more fragile than ever. If you're relying on a single paycheck, you're playing a dangerous game. One unexpected event, and everything could fall apart. But here's the good news. With the right passive income strategy, you can secure your future without working endless hours. So today, I'll reveal the 10 best passive income ideas for 2025. Ideas that actually work, that people are already using to build wealth. And the best part? Most of them require little to no money to start. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll show you the #1 most promising passive income idea that could change your life. Let's dive in. Part 2. Why passive income matters. Passive income isn't just about making extra cash. It's about freedom. Freedom from stress, from financial insecurity, from trading time for money. Think about it. Most people work 40+ hours a week for decades just to retire broke. But what if you could break free from that cycle? What if your money worked for you instead of the other way around? That's the power of passive income. It lets you earn money on autopilot, whether you're working, sleeping, or on vacation. It's how people escape the 9-to-5 grind and build real wealth. And the best part? You don't need a fortune to start. In fact, some of these passive income ideas require zero upfront investment, but they can pay you for years to come. So, are you ready to start your journey to financial freedom? Let's explore the 10 best passive income ideas for 2025. And remember, diversification is key. Relying on just one stream isn't enough. Mix and match these strategies for maximum success. Pay close attention to each one, because one of these could be the financial game changer you've been looking for. Let's get started. #1. Selling digital products. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it forever. That's exactly what happens when you sell digital products. Ebooks, courses, printables, stock photos, the possibilities are endless. People buy digital content every single day, and once it's created, you don't have to do anything else. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable make it easy. You upload your product and get paid every time someone downloads it. Even simple PDF templates can generate thousands of dollars. If you have a skill, writing, designing, photography, monetize it. #2. Print-on-demand business. What if you could sell t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies without ever touching inventory? With print-on-demand, you design a product once, and a third-party company prints and ships it for you. You only pay when you make a sale. No upfront costs, no storage, no shipping headaches. Sites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify make it easy. Just upload your designs, and they handle the rest. If you can create eye-catching designs, this can be a powerful passive income stream. #3. Affiliate marketing. Ever recommended a product to a friend? Imagine getting paid every time someone buys it. That's affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting products online. Amazon, Shopify, and countless companies have affiliate programs. Every time someone buys using your link, you get paid. You don't need to create products. Just recommend what you already use and love. Blogs, YouTube, TikTok, anyone can start. If you can attract an audience, you can make money. #4. YouTube automation channels. YouTube pays billions to creators. But what if you could make money without showing your face? YouTube automation lets you create faceless videos by outsourcing content creation to freelancers. You can script, edit, and upload videos using AI and remote workers. And once a video goes viral, it makes money for years. Ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate links. YouTube has endless monetization. If you play it smart, you can build a channel that pays you on autopilot. Number 5, investing in dividend stocks. What if you could make money just by owning stocks? With dividend investing, you get paid for doing nothing. Companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Johnson & Johnson pay investors cash every quarter. You buy their stocks once, and they send you passive income for life. Reinvest your dividends and watch your wealth grow exponentially. This is how the rich stay rich. They make money while they sleep. 6. Rental properties and Airbnb. What if your property paid you every single month? Rental income is one of the most stable passive income sources. Long-term rentals provide steady income. Short-term rentals like Airbnb can make even more. People are making 6 figures a year renting out spare rooms. Some even rent without owning a property using rental arbitrage. Passive income from real estate is powerful because property values grow over time. If you don't own a property yet, consider REITs, real estate investments that pay dividends. Number 7, automated dropshipping stores. Imagine running an online store without ever handling inventory or shipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products from suppliers who ship orders directly to customers. You don't buy stock up front, you only pay when you make a sale. With the right ads and marketing, your store can make money while you sleep. Tools like Shopify and AliExpress make it easier than ever to start. Find trending products, automate processes, and watch your income grow. Licensing music and photos. If you're a musician, photographer, or graphic designer, why not license your work? Companies pay for royalty-free music, stock images, and videos. And every time someone downloads it, you get paid. Websites like Epidemic Sound, Shutterstock, and Adobe Stock help creators earn passive income for years. Even small-time artists are making thousands per month simply by uploading their creative work online. No. 9. Vending machines and automated businesses. Vending machines work 24/7, and they don't ask for a salary. People are making thousands a month with snack, drink, and even ATM machines. Once set up, they generate steady passive income with just occasional refills and maintenance. Find high-traffic locations like malls, schools, and offices, and let your machines make money for you. The initial investment may be a few $1,000s, but the long-term profits can be life-changing. Number 10. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Want real estate cash flow without buying property? REITs let you invest in real estate passively, and they pay huge dividends. Think of it like owning apartments, malls, and hotels, without dealing with tenants or repairs. Major companies like Vanguard and BlackRock offer REITs that pay regular passive income. Invest once and let your money grow while collecting consistent cash flow. Part 4. The most promising passive income idea for 2025. Now, out of all the passive income ideas we discussed, which one is the most powerful for 2025? One that requires low effort, scales easily, and generates consistent profits. It's automated online businesses. The digital world is booming, and smart investors are building businesses that run on autopilot. Think about it. E-commerce stores, dropshipping, print on demand. You set up the system once, and it keeps making money. With AI and automation tools, you don't even need employees. Many successful businesses today run with just one person and a laptop. Let's look at real-life success stories. People are making 6 figures a year running simple online businesses that require minimal work once set up. Some are selling custom print-on-demand t-shirts. Others are using AI to create faceless YouTube channels. And some are even flipping digital products on Etsy. The secret is automation. With the right systems, you can earn money with almost no daily effort. The best part? You don't need a lot of money to start. Many of these businesses cost less than $100 to launch. E-commerce and automation will only keep growing in 2025. The question is, will you be part of it? Diversify and take action. We've covered 10 powerful passive income ideas, but here's the secret. Don't rely on just one. Successful investors have multiple streams of income. because if one slows down, the others keep flowing. Combine different ideas. Sell digital products while running an automated business. Invest in dividend stocks while monetizing a YouTube channel. The key is taking action. Too many people watch videos like this and never start. Don't be that person. Choose one passive income idea today and take the first step, because 5 years from now, you'll either be financially free or still wishing you started sooner. Remember, the rich don't work for money. Their money works for them. Passive income is how you escape the 9-to-5 trap. It's your ticket to financial freedom. So, which passive income idea excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more financial freedom strategies, check out our videos on how to build wealth faster. Part 6, Final Words and Call to Action. We're entering a new era of financial independence. Those who build passive income streams today will thrive tomorrow. The biggest mistake? Waiting too long to start. Every successful investor and entrepreneur began with one simple step. They didn't have all the answers, they just took action. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, this is your chance. Start small, be consistent, and let your money work for you. Soon, you'll realize you don't need to trade time for money anymore. I want to hear from you. Which passive income idea will you start in 2025? Drop a comment below and share your financial goals. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. And if you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button for more life-changing financial content. Check out this next video to learn how to multiply your money even faster. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.